Historically, sailors brought cats aboard ships to hunt mice and presumably for companionship. But British sailors believed a black cat would bring the ship good luck and ensure a safe return home. It was a little more complicated for pirates though. They believed a black cat walking towards you was bad luck. A black cat walking away from you was good luck. And if a cat boarded the ship and then jumped off, the ship was going to sink. Whether you are a cat owner or not, we can all agree that no other domesticated cat has a rap quite like black cats. While black cats are typically associated with Halloween, witchcraft, and bad luck, there's much more to these fireballs than the creepy stuff. The background of black cats and witches. Black cats are quintessential Halloween icons and the number one costume choice for both elementary-aged children and women in their freshman year of college. Oddly enough, but do you know how they get such spooky rap? Beginning in the Middle Ages, black cats became associated with Satan and witchcraft. Some people went so far as to believe that black cats were cohorts to witches or even witches who had taken on another form. This widespread superstition resulted in the horrific mass killing of black cats and sometimes even their owners. Aside from continuing to represent all these eerie, the fear of black cats still has some influence today. For those of us not in a maritime profession, a black cat arriving at your doorstep signals prosperity, and a black cat crossing your path signals good luck. In some parts of the world, it's believed that black cats can actually improve your love life. Black cats can resist disease. Researchers at the National Institutes of Health discovered that the genetic mutations that cause cats to have black coats may offer them some protection from diseases. Black cats can change color. If your black cat has a tabby stripe gene and loves to spend his days lounging in the sun, his fur can turn a rusty brown color. Why? The sun's rays break down the pigment in their fur to reveal the underlying tabby stripes.